Hi everybody, and welcome to Crafty Tanay. Today I have something very special to show you. This is my play button. On my second channel, Kids Talk, on which I show how to play games, I've passed 60 subscribers. So I thought of making a gold play button. Now, you actually don't get a gold play button on 60 subscribers, but I still made it. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make it. And if you don't know that I have a second channel, this is true. I have this second channel called Kids Talk, on which I teach how to play games. So the link will be in the description box below. You can check that channel out and also subscribe so you know when that channel uploads new videos. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. For this art project, you will need a printout that I have here. Now here I have the YouTube logo, and here I have this written: presented to Kids Talk, congratulations for passing 60 subscribers. Now it's not important that you have this. You can also write it, but I choose to print this off. So let's keep this to a side. Then you need one piece of cardboard. I've taken mine a little bit bigger than A4, but if you want, you can also keep it to A4. Then I have a mirror. And then, as you can see here, I have 3 more pieces of cardboard. Now this piece you'll need, but these 2 pieces I just put to add depth, because if you come back to the mirror, then we'll be using this as if this is the button. And this white piece is gonna be the base. And then we want this to be leveled up, but this is popping out, which we don't want. So that's why I've taken 2 additional pieces. But if your mirror does not have a frame, then you can skip this step. So I have already prepared this, and it took me 2 of these to make it perfect. And then you need the YouTube logo on this one, the shape of it with rounded corners, to put here. So this looks pretty nice for me. And then I've cut this triangle to go in the middle. So let me stick this all together. Okay, so as you can see, I've stuck everything together. And now we have to this. Now it's your choice. If you want a silver play button, you can it's silver. But since this is a gold play button, I'm gonna paint this gold. Okay, so as you can see here, I've colored this in the golden color, and I've also colored the little triangle here. So now I have the printout, and the last step is, if you have a printout like mine, then you have to stick the YouTube logo here and your presented to here. So for that, I'm gonna cut around these 2 ones, but since the background of the YouTube logo is white, I'm gonna draw a border. So let me do that now. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a box around the YouTube logo, and now I can cut it. Okay, so as you can see here, I I have cut both of these out. And now the YouTube logo will go here and our tag will go here. So we'll stick it down. So let me quickly get the glue and stick this. Okay, so I've stuck the YouTube button and the present tickets talk congratulations for passing 60 subscribers thing. So our golden play button is now ready. Now obviously you don't have to put kids talk, you can put your own channel name, or you could also put your name and you could customize it however you want. You don't have to write it in the font that I wrote. You don't have to write presented to, and you don't have to write passing. You could also write surpassing. And my one is for 60 subscribers, but your one could be of 100K, 10K, 1K, 1 million, 10 million. Then the number is endless. Well, I had a lot of fun making this. If you also had a lot of fun, then you can also write a comment down below and I'll surely reply to it. Well, that's it for this video. And if you like this video, then as I always say, like, share, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
On the left is my most recent upload. In the middle is the subscribe button. You can tap on it and subscribe to my channel now. And on the right is a video that's best for you.